Using the crudest tactics, they've hijacked the shipping industry. With grappling hooks, AK-47s, and rocket-propelled grenades, they brazenly clamber on board massive tankers and cargo ships, taking crews hostage. They usually have little use for the cargo. It's ransom they're after, and they often get it. Pirates off the eastern coast of Africa have cost the industry billions of dollars in recent years. But this is what they could now encounter. A security team helps the crew get into a blast-proof bridge. A sniper takes position on deck, scans the perimeter. It's a drill on board the SS Horizon Producer, a cargo ship making a run into San Juan Harbor. The vessel's equipped with a new multi-layered security system called Triton Shield. It starts with long-range surveillance cameras to detect pirates further out, and if they do get close, loudspeaker alarms.
Vessel alert.
A few feet away, trained guards patrol the deck under simulated fire. At sea and in port, CNN has exclusive access as the captain and crew are trained how to scramble into their secure bridges and engine rooms. It's not always smooth.
I need the guy's name they're missing.
But the captain says his crew needs this.
Well, you saw the drill, guns going off and that kind of stuff. And there was a realism about it, and I think it woke up a lot of guys.
Why don't you give us...
The firm provides everything: security teams, fortification of bridges, sniper nests, training the crew how to react if pirates breach the vessel. I spoke to an IMSN instructor who asked that his name and face not be identified because he conducts training in high-risk regions.
We show them how to detain that individual. We show them how to use handcuffs. We also, in the course, train the crew on how to be a hostage.
But there's another part of the system aimed at never letting it get that far. This is a crucial part of the deterrent. A wall of water that blasts down from the gunnel to knock the pirates off as they try to scale the ship. It can also flood the pirates' boat. They can mix in bleach, pepper, oil, even soap to try to distract them even more. I'm repeatedly blasted, and when I try to look up alongside the hull, I can't see a thing. Back on deck, I press the instructor about the effectiveness of all this. How confident are you that this wall of water, the blast-proof bridge, the loudspeakers are going to really keep pirates from coming on this ship?
Well, Brian, we're 99.999% sure that we've got the answer here.
That's certain, because the pirates and the criminals always stay one step ahead of the law. 99.9%.
That's true.
Why?
Well, back in our factory, we're already making the next version of the next step up. We're going to one-step them. Every time they make a move, we'll be ready for them.
haddii aad doonaysid inaad noo soo dirto wixii talo, tusaalo, hambalyooyin iyo salaamoba, ama aad haysid video xiise leh oo aad rabtid inaad la qaybsatid shacabweynaha Soomaaliyeed, waxaad noogu soo diri kartaa emailka ah wargelin@wargelin.com. waxaa kaloo barnaamijkan ka daawan kartaa website-yada kala ah bartamaha.com, raxanred.com, somalinews.com iyo website-ka calanka.com. meelahaas ayaa naga soo raadi kartaa.
Meeday